Today is Friday. You know what that means? It's filming day. Welcome to the beautiful Gold Coast. Yeah, that's good. You know, I do get a few people that ask me, you know, how do I control my dog who's just going absolutely crazy? Stick around, I'll let you know how. Now, Bear does this all the time. He pulls back because he wants me to walk and then he can take his lead off. Bear. Come on, let's go. Big day at work today, but nothing gives me more pleasure than coming home to this. Have a look at this. Bear is meeting a puppy for the first time. A dog. When you work as hard as I do, it's important to have a massage every afternoon. But look what happened when I went for my massage. That's the footrest. And then look what happens when I want to sit on my comfy Chesterfield chair. You know, somebody said to me the other day, oh, you're just doing the Casey Neistat thing. Now, I didn't know who Casey Neistat was. So Casey, I checked you out. Man, you're pretty cool. Does this happen to you? So she's calm and quiet now. But watch what happens as soon as I turn on the vacuum cleaner. Annoying, huh? So how do you fix this? I know what you're thinking. I'm vacuuming. So there really is an easy method. I mean, all you need are treats and a very calm voice. So let's try it. Should take me about 5 minutes. Hope you can put up with the noise. So the first thing I'm going to do is, before I even turn the vacuum cleaner on, is I'm going to give Lulu a treat. Come here, Lulu. Come on. Yeah. They all want the treats, but this one is the barker. Hey. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the vacuum cleaner on and we'll see how we go with the noise. This stage, she's getting closer to the vacuum cleaner, but still doesn't trust it. So I'm going to put the treat on top of the vacuum cleaner with the noise blaring out. One step closer. Now I've just got to move the thing around and hopefully she'll be a little bit quiet. That's 2 minutes. I think before long, I will have her sleeping with the vacuum cleaner. See, I can vacuum now in peace. 5 minutes. Always give them reassuring and lots of rewards. You see, the thing is now, is that she follows me everywhere because she thinks the big red monster is the treat machine. And that's the end of the show.